brand new Harbor Freight jack stands. Still crying in baseball. What the fuck? That's not gonna be a good situation there. I'm gonna just spray that for a fucking while. That's gonna turn into brake lines, I know it. That's gonna turn into brake lines. It's gonna be a snowball effect. These brakes look good over there. Just gotta try to adjust them out. This old jet here might be too tight. Here's why. See, buddy. Too tight. Way too tight. I'll hold to adjust. What the hell? No way to back that thing off. You always let that thing off. What the fuck are you doing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Way too tight. Ready? Do this again. You see I'm putting brand new drums on it. Yep, brand new. There you go. I didn't realize it just now that this only has 4 lug nuts on each side. Well, I knew that. I just didn't dawn on me till just now. I have to rebuild these brakes. Hey, you idiot. Put the drum back on. You're fucking stupid. Oh, that's the other drum. You're not that dumb, are you? Yeah, you are. Thought it was the wrong drum. Fucking retard. Hey, Heather. Doesn't start and do it again. It starts. I see you back it up so I can get to the front to work on it. And you also need to back up so you can wheels up. Please. That's been a couple weeks. Thank you.
Ooh.
What you do? Oh, it's okay. We need a paint job anyway. You hit it right on the rust spot.
Okay. You want keys in there?
Yeah, keys are fine in there. If I can get the brakes working properly, I'm gonna take this to pick the clutch up. So I'm planning on taking this home today. I'm hoping it'll make it more than 2 miles up the road.
What's wrong with it?
I needed the clutch. The other week when I got it running,
It's literally just that.
yeah, I wasn't other than the rust. And the back wheel cylinder's leaking. But the other week, it must have been probably 2 months ago when I got it running. I went to drive it up the road and I got the third gear and it just was revving. I guess I'm gonna have to call LoneNoteGuys.com back for a place. Lug nuts, need some lug nuts here. Come on, bitch. Oh. My right front's brake has been grabbing pretty good. So I'm gonna pull them off and check the wheel bearings. Matt, come here. All right, don't come here, though. There, dude. Pair of pliers. Need to bring more tools from the house. Heather,
What?
can you get him to lightly push the brake? You pushing it?
Yeah.
Push it harder. Harder. A little bit more. Wow, you all the way to the floor?
Yeah.
Push it to the floor once. Okay, they're working. Good. I got scared. Thank you. Alright, well, let's got some grease on it, so that'll be for that for it to be like this. I could have swore I had a ton of grease here. Must be at the house. That's what my list could have handy. I thought that fucking old. The other side's gonna need a little bit of help because that's the one that's grabbing. Roll 56 should be the same. Repeat the same thing there was. Got a little sidetrack in me talking. Shut up. Oh man, come on, man, be cool. Don't be cool, be dumb. Don't be dumb, man. All that wood you had here, you cleaned up. Push it away. They don't see it, but you don't know where you put it. You're stupid. Don't call yourself stupid. Why not? You are. But it's not nice. It's not nice, Billy. Your name's not Billy either. You don't know. Oh, my candy girl. What do I do with that hand over this? I don't know. Right out there, what we saying? What's Billy Bob Thornton going to do? If you would just put oil in the new jack, you wouldn't have to go through this. You know that, right? I do. I do. Gotta get jiggy with it. This ain't no daggone cuss words. It ain't that hard. Why is that so much bigger? Why is that so much bigger? Sending the wrong button. Oh, we're back in. Oh, at least the top piece. Imagine that, they sold you your own parts. Never would have thunk it. Get that back. All right, nope. Nope, you ain't.
What are you up to?
Working on junk I ain't had time to work one, or didn't take time to work one.
You good, boss?
Huh?
You good?
Yep. Oh, I had to mismatch them to make them work because these are wrong for this new one. Thank goodness. Not thank goodness. Had to leave it for a scan. Maybe I'll fix that broken bolt on the truck. Check this out. Just check things out. I do not like green eggs and ham. Do not like green eggs and ham. Now I'm going to attempt on the 73 Nuva to replace this bolt that's missing. There's one on that side too. When I got the kit, I'm just going to do them all 3 or 4 of them, 6 of them. Never done these before on a Nova, so we'll see how hard it's going to be. I'll put you back on the stand, and sorry about the dizziness. Am I going the right way? We'll find out. You know what I mean? Stop being a dum-dum guy. From Albuquerque, New Mexico. You don't know. I don't know where safe is. Oh, here she is. I thought I was recording just now because I probably wasn't. Just a small block 307. I'm not looking for high performance, just something cool to drive around. I don't want something too nice that I can't, I'm afraid to park somewhere. I do wish I had the proper clips for these, the side trim. But I think on a repaint, I might just get rid of all that, do a solid color.